Hello, guys. Welcome to BIP Podcast. I am Financial Paul, your business and investment expert. So, in today's video, I'll be talking about three capital market investment that you should look out for if you really want to make money in 2026 in the area of the liquid market. And I'll be sharing some things that can be like a tips and tricks that can help you make informed business decisions. Now, what are the capital market? Capital market investment are investment that you can do that we can easily liquidate. That has to do with you investing your money into a liquid investment. Some of these markets are like investing in stocks, investing in shares, investing in treasury bill, investing in bonds, investing in ETFs, investing in money market funds, another kind of security investment that is governed or regulated by the Security Exchange Commission. This investment is sweet, is good that you can liquidate anytime you have financial need. In your business portfolio, it is necessary that you have different forms of investment: liquid investment, short-term investment, long-term investment. If these are the things you want to really learn about business and information, this is the channel you want to join. You might consider subscribing to get more information about this as we move further. Now, three different markets that you can look out for. One thing I know about this current administration in Nigeria is that the federal government are good in raising money. They raise money from international banks. They raise money from taxes. Having reviewed the Finance Act in 2025, they raise money from taxes, all form of taxes. They also raise money from the poor and the rich through treasury bill and bond. So if you want to do business with the government, this period is a period you can partner with them. Bond investment or treasury bill is considered one of the investment that has little to no risk involved because it's backed up by the government. Currently now, the federal government from the debt management office, they are issuing out bond that is starting. You're going to see this stuff. It's going to work. It's starting for like within this week, and this is something you want to look out for. They want to raise, their offer is over 600 uh billion naira in term of bond that they want to raise, and then you can actually invest in bonds. And I'm going to be sharing with you what these how platforms that you can do, what that you can use to invest in this government bond. This is something that you want to take advantage. The bond one is ranging is valued at 600 billion, 10 years maturity, interest rate is 22.26, reopening in January 2035. I've put the link in these details in the description button. You can get more details. Bond 2 is also a 20 years maturity bond. The interest rate is 16.24%. Now, the minimum amount, this bond is for rich people or people that have a lot of cash at their disposal. The minimum amount is 50 million naira. 50 million, 1,000 naira. That's the minimum investment that you can invest. And the interest is paid twice in a year. And the full principal will be paid after maturity. So if you're looking at bond 1 or bond 2, a 10 years maturity bond, this is an investment available, right? One thing about this current administration, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is raising bonds that will be paid after 10 years, when they will not even be in the administration again. So this is a serious deal. You may consider investing this or other form of investment that I'll be talking about, right? And this will pay twice in a year. The interest will be paid twice in a year. The advantage for this is that it has what? It has a predictable interest income of 22% on the 10 years bond, which is very attractive. Government backing means low risk. But the disadvantage is that it has a minimum investment of over 15 million naira. Most individuals may not be able to do this, except people who have a lot of money with them. And another disadvantage is that your money is locked for 10 to 20 years. If I would advise people to do this kind of investment, I'd like you to do an investment that is a yearly basis investment. Don't tie up your money for 10 to 20 years. But after 10 years, 20 years, looking at the time value of money, the 50 million naira could only buy what is worth maybe 25 million naira now. Looking at the principle of time value of money. Except that bond is invested in, is that 50 million is converted to dollar and is invested in a dollar bond. You know that in the next 10 to 20 years, the value of dollar to naira is different from what it will be. Of course, investments, you use previous data to predict the future. 10 years ago, how much was dollar to naira and how much is dollar to naira now? So this bond for a smart investors, I'll say you should invest in this. But this is something that people can invest. And then you know that okay, this money I'm not using it to fund global businesses. This 50 million naira is going to make me over 20-30% on a yearly basis for 12 years, for 10 years. The money recouped from it, I'm not going to use it to invest globally because by the time you convert it, that value of money has destroyed the value of that money. But if you invest it in Nigeria, who knows how it's going to be. This is one of the investments that can help you make money in the capital market. Another investment that I would like you to look out for, which is coming up within the next 2 months, is the IPO of Aliko Dangote. The recent IPO that's happening all over the globe right now. We have SpaceX, having a target of 1.7 trillion valuation. And upon IPO on the second day, SpaceX hit 2.1 trillion in valuation, meaning people really stormed into SpaceX and they are ready to invest. And then if you have not invested in this, not to worry, you can always invest. Or you can wait for another massive IPO that is coming in. And this IPO is by OpenAI. OpenAI is an AI company that founded an OpenAI, ChatGPT, and other forms of digital businesses that is really generating massive revenue. You can set yourself ready if you have missed the SpaceX IPO by Tesla or by Elon Musk. So you can invest actually in OpenAI, get your platforms ready, get your digital platform ready, whereby you can invest in, which I'm going to be mentioning how you can invest in all these platforms. Another business you can invest in that is going to go public right now or in the next 1 to 2 months, alongside with Aliko Dangote's refinery, is Anthropic. Anthropic is a company that found Cloud AI. Now, this company is also going public, and then this is something you can do. These are liquid investment that you say, okay, I invest 10 million naira, 10,000 pounds, or $10,000, and watch it for the space of 5 years. Your 10,000 pounds could be valued at 50,000 pounds. I think I would not want to miss OpenAI. OpenAI, one of the founders of OpenAI is Peter Thiel. Peter Thiel is also one of the founders, is also one of the PayPal mafias. Peter Thiel founded PayPal with Elon Musk. Peter Thiel is also an investor in SpaceX. Peter Thiel also has a company called Palantir. Palantir is a company that is involved in security, digital security, and some of their customers are the federal government, the US government. And Palantir, which the founder is Peter Thiel, is also one of the founders of OpenAI. Peter Thiel is also an investor in Facebook. One of the first private equity investors that invested some millions and then cashed out over hundreds of billions in Facebook. So this guy knows what he's doing, and I will be ready. I will be looking at SpaceX, OpenAI, Anthropic, and if you want to invest and support the Nigerian business, you also might want to invest in Aliko Dangote. Not even might, you should invest in Aliko Dangote refinery as it's positioning this IPO across Africa, and so within the space of within a short while, it's going to be a massive one. I know a lot of people are already investing in the equity market, but from my research, one of the things I've seen when Boafus wants to go public, he went public at the rate of let's say 15 naira. Only in the space of 5 to 10 years, Boafus has increased from 15 naira to over 900. You can see the massive effect. So if you're not going to invest in all these investments, just invest with money that you know that I just want to lock in this money for the next 5 years and see what it's going to be. 2 million or 5 million, just want to lock it in this company. The 5 million naira can be valued at 150 in the next 5 years. At least something one. And that will take this as an opportunity for you to invest in dollars. And so you want to go out, you want to reach out to this investment at I see how can I invest in dollars in the Dangote refinery so that I make dollars back. And so some of these platforms you'll be using on platform that you want to use to invest from the couple of them know, which we've mentioned a lot, is very easy. Go online on Google Play, on App Store, type Bamboo. It's going to be written on the screen right now. Bamboo. Download Bamboo, sign up, and then invest. And invested in Bamboo. Trove is also a platform that you can invest in. Download Trove, sign up and invest. You have Brightfest, sign up and invest. Whichever platform you want to do, it's okay for you to take advantage of it. Except we want me to give you a step-by-step guide on how to sign up and invest, you can write in the comment section. And if I see someone who wants this, I'm going to create a video of this. On that platform you can use is Trade. Trade is a platform that can help you invest in the Nigerian market. Then you can they have their office in Vegas. You can sign up. You can download your app Mary Trade. The company is called Mary Stem. Download your app Mary Tree, and then you sign up and then you start investing. Other thing you can do is if you have access to asset management firm who have inner information about these companies, you can even invest in private equity. Private equity is one of the sweetest investment that a lot of people don't know. The public don't know. It's just the rich that majorly invest in private equity. People who are really making billions in equity investment invest in private equity. That is why the likes of the venture capitalists and the people who respond for company, they pay you to own a portion of the company, and then when you grow and then you go public, you are going to cash out during IP going public. If you want to learn more about private equity and only talking about this more on his channel, want you to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person that gets alert or notified whenever we post. Thank you so much, Financial, for your business and investment experts. Subscribe. Let's connect in the comment section. I'll be glad to respond to you.